Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Today, we're uncovering 10 essential money secrets to transform your financial life. Mastering your finances goes beyond just earning a paycheck. It's about applying the right principles and strategies to grow and protect your wealth over time. As you watch, think about which money secret resonates with you the most and leave a comment below to share how you're implementing it in your financial journey. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Millionaire Lux Room, where we help you achieve financial freedom, cultivate a wealth mindset, embrace entrepreneurship, and find daily inspiration and motivation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving deep into the money secrets that can transform your financial life. Whether you're looking to build wealth, get out of debt, or simply improve your money management skills, these secrets are powerful tools that can guide you toward financial success. So, let's get started with the first money secret. Number 1. Pay yourself first. One of the most powerful money secrets is the concept of paying yourself first. This means that before you pay your bills, buy groceries, or spend on discretionary items, you set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. By prioritizing your financial future, you ensure that you're consistently building wealth, no matter what other expenses come your way. Actionable tip: set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts as soon as you receive your paycheck. Start with a small percentage and gradually increase it as you become more comfortable with saving. Deeper insights: paying yourself first is about creating a habit of disciplined saving. This habit not only secures your financial future but also gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're building a financial cushion. Over time, this consistent saving can lead to substantial growth in your wealth, especially when combined with smart investments. What percentage of your income are you currently saving? Share your savings goals in the comments. Number 2. Understand the power of compound interest. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's the interest you earn on both your original investment and the interest that's already been added to it. Over time, compounding can turn small, regular contributions into substantial wealth. Actionable tip: start investing as early as possible, even if it's a small amount. The longer your money has to compound, the more significant your returns will be. Deeper insights: the magic of compound interest lies in its exponential growth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, which is why financial experts emphasize beginning to invest as soon as possible. Even modest investments can grow significantly over time due to the power of compounding. Have you started taking advantage of compound interest? If so, what's your strategy? Let's discuss it in the comments. Number 3. Live below your means. Living below your means is a foundational principle for building wealth. It's not about depriving yourself, but making conscious spending choices that align with your long-term financial goals. By spending less than you earn, you create a surplus that can be used for saving, investing, and debt repayments. Actionable tip: create a budget that tracks your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life, and redirect those savings towards your financial goals. Deeper insight: living below your means requires a shift in mindset from instant gratification to long-term fulfillment. It's about understanding the difference between needs and wants and making intentional decisions that prioritize financial security over short-term pleasures. This practice not only helps in accumulating wealth, but also fosters financial independence. What's one area where you've successfully cut back on spending? Let's share tips in the comments. Number 4. Diversify your investments. Diversification is a key strategy for managing risk in your investment portfolio. By spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds, you reduce the impact of a poor-performing asset on your overall portfolio. Diversification helps protect your wealth and provides more consistent returns over time. Actionable tip: review your investment portfolio regularly to ensure it's well diversified. If you're unsure how to diversify effectively, consider consulting a financial advisor. Deeper insight: diversification is like building a financial safety net. It acknowledges the unpredictability of markets and mitigates potential losses by not putting all of your eggs in one basket. This approach allows you to balance risk and reward, ensuring that even if one area of your portfolio underperforms, others can compensate. How diversified is your investment portfolio? Share your experiences with diversification in the comments. Number 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it is tempting to upgrade your lifestyle accordingly. This is known as lifestyle inflation. However, if you're not careful, lifestyle inflation can prevent you from building wealth. Instead of spending more as you earn more, maintain your current lifestyle and invest the extra income. Actionable tip: set a rule for yourself. For every raise or bonus you receive, save or invest a significant portion of it before making any lifestyle upgrades. Deeper insight: lifestyle inflation can be a silent wealth killer. It's easy to justify higher spending when you earn more, but this often leads to a cycle where increased income results in little to no real financial progress. By consciously avoiding lifestyle inflation, you can direct additional income toward wealth-building activities, accelerating your journey to financial independence. How do you resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle? Let's share strategies in the comments. Number 6. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts such as 401ks, IRAs, and health saving accounts, known as HSAs, offer powerful tools for growing your wealth. These accounts allow you to save and invest money either tax-free or tax-deferred, depending on the account type. By taking full advantage of these accounts, you can reduce your tax liability and accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Actionable tip: maximize your contributions to tax-advantaged accounts each year. If you're unsure which accounts are best for your solution, consult a tax advisor. Deeper insight: understanding and utilizing tax-advantaged accounts is a critical component of effective financial planning. These accounts not only reduce your taxable income in the short term, but they also allow your investments to grow without the immediate drag of taxes. Over time, this can result in significantly larger retirement savings or investment portfolios, providing a crucial advantage in wealth accumulation. Are you taking full advantage of your tax-advantaged accounts? Let's discuss how these accounts have impacted your wealth-building journey in the comments. Number 7. Build and maintain an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that covers unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Having an emergency fund prevents you from going into debt when unforeseen expenses arise and gives you peace of mind, knowing you're financially prepared for the unexpected. Actionable tip: aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account. Start by saving small amounts regularly until you reach your goal. Deeper insight: an emergency fund is the cornerstone of financial stability. It's not just about being prepared for emergencies, it's about reducing the stress and anxiety that can come with financial uncertainty. By knowing you have a cushion to fall back on, you can make more confident decisions about your career, investments, and spending, all of which contribute to long-term financial success. How are you building your emergency fund? Share your progress and tips in the comments. Number 8. Educate yourself on financial literacy. Financial literacy is the knowledge and skills needed to make informed financial decisions. Understanding concepts like budgeting, investing, debt management, and retirement planning is essential for taking control of your finances and building wealth. The more you know about managing money, the better equipped you'll be to navigate financial challenges and opportunities. Actionable tip: commit to ongoing financial education. Read books, take online courses, and follow reputable financial blogs or podcasts to stay informed and improve your money management skills. Deeper insight: financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. The financial world is constantly evolving, with new products, regulations, and opportunities emerging all the time. Staying informed allows you to adapt to these changes, making savvy financial decisions, and avoid costly mistakes. Knowledge is power, and in the financial world, it's also profit. What's your favorite resource for financial education? Share it in the comments. Let's build a community of lifelong learners. Number 9. Be mindful of debt. Not all debt is bad, but it's important to be mindful of how you manage it. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control and hinder your financial progress. On the other hand, strategic use of low-debt interest, such as a mortgage or student loan, can help you achieve important financial goals. Actionable tip: prioritize paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Consider using strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche methods to accelerate your debt payment. Deeper insight: managing debt effectively requires a balanced approach. While debt can be a tool for achieving significant milestones, such as home ownership or higher education, it can also be a burden if not handled properly. The key is to use debt strategically, ensuring that it serves your long-term financial goals rather than detracting from them. By keeping debt under control, you maintain financial flexibility and reduce stress, allowing you to focus on building wealth. How are you managing your debt? Let's share debt management tips in the comments. Number 10. Invest in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Whether it's furthering your education, developing new skills, or taking care of your health, investing in yourself can lead to higher earning potential, better job opportunities, and a more fulfilling life. The returns on self-investment can be both financial and personal. Actionable tip: identify areas where you can improve or develop new skills that will enhance your career or business prospects. Set aside time and resources for personal growth and self-improvement. Deeper insight: investing in yourself goes beyond just career or financial gains. It encompasses your overall well-being and personal fulfillment. By continuously improving yourself, you not only increase your earning potential, but also enrich your life in meaningful ways. Whether it's learning a new skill, pursuing a passion, or improving your health, these investments pay dividends in both your personal and professional life. Tell me, what's one way you're investing in yourself right now? Let's inspire each other with our personal growth journeys in the comments. Conclusion: unlocking your financial potential. These 10 money secrets are not just tips, they're powerful principles that can help you unlock your financial potential and achieve long-term wealth. By applying these strategies consistently and making informed decisions, you can take control of your finances, build wealth, and secure a prosperous future. Remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of disciplined habits, continuous learning, and a commitment to your financial goals. Start implementing these secrets today and watch your financial life transform. Which of these secrets are you most excited to apply? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to the Millionaire Lux Room for more insightful content. Check out our latest video for even more tips and inspiration. Together, let's continue building the wealth and life we desire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.